Have you ever felt like someone was watching you? Did you act differently because of it? This is the essence of the Hawthorne effect. It suggests that people change their behavior when they know they are being observed. This effect has captivated social scientists and business leaders for nearly a century. It raises profound questions about human motivation and the nature of observation itself. The Hawthorne effect is named after a series of experiments conducted in the 1920s and 1930s. These experiments took place at the Hawthorne Works factory, just outside Chicago. The initial goal was to study the relationship between workplace lighting and worker productivity. However, the results of these experiments yielded something far more intriguing than a simple correlation between light and output. Section 2. Illumination and Observation. The Hawthorne Studies. The Hawthorne Studies, conducted by researchers from MIT, sought to improve productivity at the Western Electric factory. They manipulated different variables, such as lighting levels and break times. The researchers expected to see a direct link between these changes and worker output. To their surprise, productivity increased regardless of the changes made. The researchers concluded that the workers were not responding to the changes themselves. Instead, they were responding to the fact that they were being observed. The workers felt special, knowing they were part of an important study. This feeling of importance, the researchers surmised, led to increased effort and productivity. The Hawthorne effect was born. Section 3. Challenging the paradigm. Compier's critique. The Hawthorne effect has been widely accepted and cited in countless studies. However, in 2006, Dutch researcher Joost Compier challenged the very foundation of this effect. Compier conducted a thorough review of the original Hawthorne studies. He argued that the evidence for the Hawthorne effect was weak and based on flawed methodology. Compier pointed out inconsistencies in the original data. He argued that other factors, such as changes in management style and worker morale, could have contributed to the observed productivity increases. Compier's critique sparked a debate that continues to this day. Section 4. The Hawthorne effect in the 21st century. A legacy of inquiry. The Hawthorne effect, despite the controversy, remains an important concept. It highlights the complex relationship between observer and observed. Even if the effect is not as straightforward as initially thought, the possibility of its influence cannot be ignored. In today's world, where data collection and analysis are ubiquitous, understanding the observer effect is crucial. From social media algorithms to medical trials, the way we collect and interpret data can significantly impact the outcomes we observe. The Hawthorne effect, whether myth or reality, serves as a reminder of the power of observation and the importance of critical thinking in interpreting data. Additionally, demand characteristics, where participants alter their behavior based on perceived expectations, play a significant role in data collection. Recognizing these factors helps ensure more accurate and reliable research outcomes.